Hello. Today we're going in language. We're doing lesson 148. 128, I'm sorry. We're doing lesson 128 and we're continuing with adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives, adjectives are words that describe a noun. What is a noun? A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. What questions does an adjective answer? An adjective answers what kind, how many, which one. So today we're continuing. On the board, I have some sentences. With these sentences, I would like you to write them down. What we're going to do is that we're going to graph our sentences. We're going to underline, we're going to separate your subject and your predicate. We're going to underline your verb, and you're going to your verb twice, and you're going to underline your subject once. And then we're going to circle your nouns, and we're going to draw arrows from your adjectives to the nouns that they modify. I hope that you are ready with pencil and paper. So let's begin with sentence number one. Oops. Okay, so sentence number one, it says, Casey has a new blue hat. Let's circle the nouns. Casey is a noun and it is a proper noun. Hat is a noun and it is a common noun. Now let's separate predicate and subject. And that will be here. Because this is my predicate, so this is my subject, so I underline it once, and this is my predicate, and I underline it 2 times. What I underline 2 times is my verb. Okay? Then I have to find my adjectives. So I have new and blue. And new and blue are modifying hat. They are describing what hat is. So they're describing what color it is, and they're what kind. What kind is new? What kind is blue? Which one is blue? Okay, let's go to the next one. Mom grew 2 rows of beautiful tulips. Let's circle our nouns. Mom, 2 rows of beautiful tulips. Let's divide our sentence, and that will be here. Mom is my subject. Grew is my verb. Let's look for, I'm sorry, my eye itched. Let's look for our adjectives. 2 is an adjective. Beautiful is an adjective. 2 and beautiful are modifying tulip. They are describing the tulips. Next one. That bicycle needs new tires. That bicycle needs new tires. And this is going to demonstrate that the adjective can be anywhere in your sentence, because in this sentence, my adjective is at the beginning. So, what are my nouns? Bicycle, tires. What is my subject? Bicycle. I'm dividing my sentence there. Subject, and that's my predicate. Needs is my verbs. My verb. What are my adjectives? That and new. That and new are my adjectives. That bicycle, new tires. So that is describing bicycle. Remember that, this, and those are demonstrative adjectives. And new is describing tires. Last one. It says those kites are colorful. Those kites are colorful. And we only have one noun in this sentence. Let's divide our sentence. It will be divided here. Are is my verb. Kites is my subject. Those is an adjective. Colorful is an adjective. Those kites, colorful kites. They're both describing the kites. Now we're going to move on to our workbook page. Please get ready while I arrange the board for our worksheet, okay? Be right with you. Get your paper, page 144. Okay, let's wait until the projector comes up. Okay, there is shortly coming up. Patience, patience. And here we go. So, we're ready. It says, underline each noun and circle each adjective in the sentence below. Draw an arrow from each adjective to the noun it is describing. Not every noun will have an adjective. Some nouns may have more than one adjective. So let's begin. Sentence number 1 said, the baby bird ate juicy worms. Baby bird, juicy worms. That number 2, that keeps that old car in the garage. Car, old car. Mom made David a big chocolate birthday cake. Mom made David a big chocolate birthday cake. So big chocolate birthday cake are all describing cake. Okay, the small mouse skittered across the wooden floor. So our noun is mouse. What did he do? He was small. This is your verb. So that will be all. I enjoy the big red apple mother put in my blue lunchbox. Your adjective is red and it's modifying apples. And that is your noun. The noun was apple. The noun was mouse. Over here, the noun is lunchbox. The adjective is blue and is describing the lunchbox. Next one, in winter, I like to see the first snow. Snow is my noun. Sorry, I'm supposed to underline your noun. Underline the noun, circle your adjective, and draw an arrow. First is describing snow. Number 7, we saw that lady at church yesterday. We saw that lady at church yesterday. Your adjective, your noun is lady. Again, I circled the wrong one, sorry. Your adjective is that, your noun is lady. That is describing lady. Again, that is a demonstrative adjective. That sharp knife cuts meat well. This is an adverb. It's really not describing a noun. It's describing the verb. It cuts well. So that is an adverb, not an adjective. When you read the sentence, you need to figure out what word is describing which word. So here, this well is talking about the meat. About how it cuts. So it's modifying cut. It is not modifying the knife. So my knife is my noun. Knife is my noun. Sharp is my adjective, and that is my adjective. Sharp, that. Sharp, and not describe knife. The next one. Christ arose from the dark grave. Arose is a verb, so that's not it. Grave is my noun. Dark is my adjective. Dark is describing grave. We ate warm pumpkin milk and drank cold milk. We ate warm pumpkin pie and drank cold milk. So, we have pumpkin is a noun. Pumpkin pie. Here is acting as an adjective because it's telling you what type of pie. Warm is an adjective because it's telling you how the pumpkin pie is. Pumpkin is telling you which kind. Drank cold milk. Drank is a verb. Milk is a noun. Let's underline. Cold is your adjective that modifies milk. It tells you how the milk is. Circle each adjective in the following list. And list goes down. So we're going to go down. Adjective in the first list. Small, sang, Miss Johnson Brown. Small is an adjective. Brown is an adjective. Next list. Shoes, dark, sneeze, shiny. Dark is an adjective. Shiny is an adjective. Begin, hot, good, fold. Hot is an adjective. Good is an adjective. Make sure you complete this section so I can give you credit. Let's go to the next page. And here I already filled it out previously because your words are going to vary. Okay, so I'm going to read what I wrote. I'm going to help pack our picnic baskets for a lovely picnic today. It is the best picnic basket you will ever see. Mom is making fried chicken. We are also making ham sandwiches. I am packing some bananas, a dozen cookies, a quart of milk, and large salad. That adds lots of cheese, 2 eggs, and a large bag of potato chips. My sister remembers to pack 5 cups, a few forks and spoons, and plenty of paper plates. Our empty picnic basket is now a trash picnic basket. I can't wait for a lovely picnic with my beautiful family. It was a glorious day. And again, bottom part, write your sentence and I will count this for credit. Please keep track of your papers. See you tomorrow.